Hello. I have no idea why I'm filming right now. I just didn't want this to be a totally silent vlog. Yeah, I ended up not having class today. So, since I was alone at home, I thought, why not film little moments of my day and make a vlog out of it? I just didn't have a video idea for this week. But yeah, I don't know. I started reading this earlier today. You saw me starting reading this. I'm only 20 pages in, so I don't have much to say about it, but Toni Morrison's writing is absolutely incredible. As always, I might film tomorrow as well, because I only have 1 hour of class. If I have class. And I have a package to get downtown. So I'm probably going to go downtown and make a little date out of my morning. Or my afternoon, I don't know yet. Like, go to a cafe, read and write. And yeah, I just wanted to talk a bit. I think I'm going to play some Animal Crossing right now. And I'll take you along with me. It's gonna be very boring. You'll see why in a minute. Hello. I went to a coffee shop this morning to read a little bit. I didn't end up having class today, but I needed to go downtown to get a package that you saw me opening. And yeah, I went to a coffee shop. I read a little of Home, as you saw. And then I went and bought some envelopes and some paper for letter writing. I am currently writing a letter to a long distance friend, an online friend. Mars, if you're here, hi. So yeah, I needed to buy some stuff for letter writing / pen pal stuff. I'm also watching Severance, episode 9 of season 2. Went grocery shopping with my mom earlier and then cleaned my bedroom and had a cup of tea of a new tea I just bought, which is vanilla and strawberry, and it's so good. It's by the brand Clipper, and last week I got their mint raspberry tea, which is also very good, and I'm just trying to just try their teas and try new teas. And for a while I was more into like loose leaf tea, but now I'm back into tea bags. I love tea bags. Tea bags are great. So yeah, tried new tea. It was really good. Ate the cinnamon roll I got this morning because I didn't eat it this morning. And yeah, I'm gonna finish the Severance episode, then write my letter, probably read a bit, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. Probably just watch some YouTube videos. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. I will read a Mary Oliver poem this time. I'm gonna go get the book and read you a poem. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. It was probably all over the place, but yeah. Hopefully more vlogs to come when I have interesting things to do. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Got the goods. Today's poem is Black Oaks, and it goes like this. Okay, not one can write a symphony or a dictionary or even a letter to an old friend, full of remembrance and comfort. Not one can manage a single sound, though the blue jays carp and whistle all day in the branches, without the push of the wind. But to tell the truth, after a while, I'm pale with longing for their thick bodies, ruckled with lichen. And you can't keep me from the woods, from the tonnage of their shoulders and their shining green hair. Today is a day like any other. 24 hours, a little sunshine, a little rain. Listen, says ambition, nervously shifting her weight from one boot to another. Why don't you get going? For there I am, in the mossy shadows, under the trees. And to tell the truth, I don't want to let go of the wrists of idleness. I don't want to sell my life for money. I don't even want to come in out of the rain. Yay! Mary Oliver poem of the day. And yeah, bye!